Hello, my name is Kat, and I have very recently joined Jane Lewis in her workshop, The Secret Art of Huna. And I just wanted to share my thoughts with you about that because I went along. I know Jane, I have the privilege of working in the same organisation as Jane, and whenever she brings her Huna chanting and her forgiveness work into the room, I find I weep. There's something about that chanting that just sort of touches my soul. So when she said that she was going to run a workshop, I am there, I don't care, I just have to be around this philosophy that touches my heart. When I got there, I was just absolutely blown away with the content and the impact that it had on me. So Jane spent a lot of time sharing the history and the heritage and the love that comes with Huna. But then the second part of the day was focused on taking us through different processes around the forgiveness art. And I have to say, I was very surprised. I don't feel that I carry any animosity towards anyone, and but I was absolutely shocked with who came into my life and how wonderfully powerful it was to follow Jane's beautiful process and leave at the end of the day feeling happier, lighter, more connected, just more myself. It was just amazing. I highly recommend, if you haven't done so already, go and get your name down to attend Jane's workshop in September, because you won't forget it. It's be a beautiful day.